Hello friends, I've come up with the next example. Now from the based on the straight line fit. Okay. From the data given below, find out number A, regression equation of y on x, and find the value of y when x is equals to 10. Next, number B, regression equation of x on y and find the value of x when y equals to 10. So the values of x and y are given in a table. Also prove that both regression lines intersect at summation of x by n, comma, summation of y by n. Okay. So we need to find out that both the regression lines intersect at summation of x by n and summation of y and summation of y divided by n. Okay, so I'm going to rub all this, and as there is no space for me to solve this example, you people just record all this, write down the question first, then it will be easier for you to understand it. Okay, uh, we know for number A, we know that regression equation of y, regression equation of y on x is y equals to a0 plus a1 of x. Okay, now the normal equations are as n a of 0 plus a1 summation of x is equals to summation of y. Okay, this is an equation. A0 into summation of x plus a1 into summation of x square is equals to summation of xy. Okay, so just keep this in mind. A0 into summation of x plus a1 summation of x square and is equals to summation of xy. Okay, now after substituting the above summations in the normal equation, we get 5a0 plus, as n value of n is 5, then 15a1 summation of x, that is 15a1. We need to find out the table. Okay, we'll just find it out first, all the tables, and then we'll substitute all these values. Or I'll just write it down and I'll also elaborate the table as well. Okay, and 15a0 plus 55 a1 is equals to 67. Okay, so I got the value 15, 55, 20, 67, 15 and 5. You know that n is equals to 5, that is number of the values. Okay, now we'll just draw the table. Okay, I'm just erasing all this, and we'll draw a table, and then we'll try to solve this. Okay, I'll just keep this as it is. Okay, the values of x, y, x square, y square, and xy. The okay, values of x, that is already given, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. The values of y, that is 2, 4, 5, 3, and 6. So x square, that is 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. Okay, the values of y square, 4, 16, 25, 9, and 36. Okay, now the values of xy, x into y, that is 2, 8, 15, 20, 12, and then 20. 12 and then 20. Okay, so not 20, 5 6 are 30, it is 30, sorry. Right, okay. Now after substituting the above summations, after substituting you get this this equations, that is 5a0 plus 15a1 is equals to 20, 15a0 plus 55a1 is equals to 67. Okay, now solve the above equations for a0 and a1. Okay, we have to solve this equations, both these equations. Okay, and after solving the above equations for a0 and a1, we get a0 equals to 1.9 and a1 is equals to 0.7. Okay, so these are the values of a0 is equals to 1.9, a1 is equals to 0.7. Hope you are getting this. Please write it down whenever you are watching this video, because I am not continuously writing a question. I have a small space for this, and hope you will get it. Okay, now we got the values of a0 and a1. Now substitute the values of a0 and a1 in regression equation. Our regression equation is y equals to a0 plus a1 of x. So y equals to, the value of a0 is 1.9, the value of a1 is 0.7, and x. Okay, I am just giving this as equation 1. Okay, sorry, this as equation 1. Okay, equation 1. Okay. Now for first one, that was given that regression equation of y on x, and find the value of y when x is equals to 10. Okay, so we need to find the value of y when x is equals to 10. So here, if x is equals to 10, then we need to find the value of y, that is 1.9 plus 0.7 into 10. So we get the value y, that is 8.9. Okay, now let us come back to move further and solve the second equation. Okay, Right. Regression equation. So regression equation of x on y is x is equals to b0 plus b1 into y. b0 plus b1 into y. So the normal regression so the normal equation regression line as n of b0 plus b1 into summation of y is equals to x. That is, sorry, summation of x. Okay. So, and b0 plus b1 summation of y square is equals to summation of y into x. Okay. Now, after substituting the summations, we get the value 5 by b0 plus the value of summation of y, that is 20 b1 is equals to summation of x is 15 b0, that is 20 b0 into summation of y, it is y, summation of y. So 20 b0 plus 90 b1 is equals to 67. Okay. So we are up to here. Okay. Now we need to solve this equations, this one and this one. Okay. So after solving this, we get b0 is equals to 0.2 and b1 is equals to 0.7. Okay. So substituting the value in the regression equation, we get x equals to 0.2 plus 0.7y, and when y is equals to 10, then x is equals to 0.2 plus 0.7 into 10. So x is equals to 7.2.